If you think meme coins are dead, you're already late. Last month alone, I turned a small Solana wallet into 5 figures just by trading new meme coins early. Not luck, not signals, just a repeatable system. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, step by step. And more importantly, how beginners go from 0.1 SOL to real money without getting destroyed. And later in this video, I'll show you the exact entry pattern. That works again and again in this market, so don't skip. Step 1. Fix your environment. Because right now, if you open any trading terminal, you're looking at pure chaos. Thousands of tokens, scams, fake volume, noise everywhere. And if you don't filter that out, you will lose money. So here's what you do. Go into your filters, unselect everything, and only select Pump Fun. This alone removes about 90% of garbage. Then go to New Pairs, open metrics, and set minimum market cap to around 7,000. Now suddenly, your screen is clean. Fewer coins, but higher quality. Now go to Final Stretch and set Age. Max 40 minutes. Dev holding. Max 5%. Insiders. Max 20%. Market cap. Minimum 8,000. Now you're no longer gambling. You're scanning properly. And quick note here, if you're using Axiom, use the link in my description. You'll get 10% off fees and 5% cash back on every trade, which means you're literally paying less and getting money back every time you trade. And over time, that stacks up a lot, especially if you're active. Step 2. What actually makes money? Most beginners trade the wrong type of coins. There are 3 types you'll see: tweet coins, profile coins, and community coins. Tweet coins, pure speculation. Profile coins, usually garbage. Most of them die fast. But community coins, that's where the real money is, because attention comes from people. And here's where most people mess up. They don't check anything, so you need a system. First, holders. Open the Holders tab, look at top wallets. If they all have similar balances, that's a bundle. Avoid it. Second, funding. If wallets were funded at the same time, again, bundle. That's how you get rugged. Third, community. Check. Is the contract in BIO? Is there a pinned post? Are real people talking? If not, you leave. No hesitation. Step 3. The pattern that prints money. This is the part most people never understand. Meme coins are not random. They follow psychology. And there's one setup that works over and over again. The 40% dip. Here's how it works. Coin launches, runs up, then drops hard. 40, sometimes 50%. And what happens next? People see a discount and they buy. That creates the bounce, that's your entry, and later, you sell into that momentum. Simple, but powerful. And this is where most beginners fail. They don't wait. They chase green candles and get trapped. Step 4, execution. Once you enter, you need rules. If price drops below your entry, you cut it immediately. No emotions, no hope, no maybe it comes back. You're not here to hold. You're here to extract profit. Fast in, fast out, repeat. Step 5, position sizing. This is what protects you. If you have 0.1 SOL, you're trading small. 0.05 entries, max 0.07. If you have 1 SOL, 0.25 entries, 0.4 max. If you have 5 SOL, 1 SOL entries, 1.5 on strong setups. And listen carefully, if you have less than 0.1 SOL, don't trade meme coins. Fees will destroy you. Build capital first, then come back. Step 6, why most people never make it. It's not strategy, it's psychology. They overtrade, they chase, they get emotional. But the best traders, they wait. They stay disciplined. They only trade high probability setups. That's the difference. And the final piece, and experience. There's no shortcut here. You need screen time. You need to watch launches, watch volume, watch behavior every single day. That's how you build intuition. That's how you get early. And that's how you win. Final thoughts. This is the exact system I use every day. Filter, scan, wait, execute, repeat. If you actually apply this, you're already ahead of 90% of traders. And if you want to trade faster and stay ahead of the market, try Axiom through my link. Lower fees, cashback on trades, better execution. It's a no-brainer. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.